Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! It's the first time I'm actually showing my face on my videos for the year 2023. So I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you're okay. Thanks for clicking as usual. Right now, I just said I should give you an update of what is going on here in Lagos. Now, I made a video of this bridge before when we were at the piling stage, and right now they are developing the bridge already. As you can see, this is how far it's gone. The engineers have done. I was able to go around the site to make videos of what has been done and what's ongoing. So this is like the plane crash bridge. I explained something about the plane crash. Remember the Ghana airline that crashed some time ago, like 12 years ago or so. It happened back there. So there's a bridge coming here, passing by the memorial site. So it's actually going to be. In fact, the reason for this bridge is because of this the railway track. And so I'll be taking you around to see how far work has been done. I will also be giving you an update of the Agbado road, the road that is being constructed in the Agbado section. I made a video of the road before, so I'm going to be making an update. I'll actually join both of them together so you see what, since they are in the same region, so you see how far work has gone. So as usual, do well to click on my channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you also invite people to the channel so our videos can go viral. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. We're hoping for a better 2023. Cheers, guys. So let's go.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 butterfly.